welcome to Wait Wait Gadget, and I'm going to show you about Genie Plus.
In summary and short, Genie Plus is the way that you get what they call the lightning lanes, which are short, quick ways of getting onto the rides. But it is a bit confusing, so let me talk you through it and show you on the app. So, Genie Plus, the way it works is at midnight they're released and you can buy them on the app, and they're costed according to how busy the park is and the park itself. Now, there are limited numbers, and normally they're available till about 7 AM, 8 AM. Lightning Pass means that you can get onto the rides quicker. You'll be usually waiting about 10-15 minutes, but certain rides don't allow you to use the Lightning Pass. The Lightning Lane, in simple terms, just means that you don't have to wait as long for some of the standby times, which could be, you know, up to 2 hours. The Genie Plus costs $20 a day, and there is no difference in price for kids or for adults. So whether they're 0 up to 99, it's the same price, roughly about $20 a day, but it will depend on how busy the park is, the demand, and the park itself, but it's roughly about $20. So the risk with the Genie Pass is that you might find that even when you get to the park, a creepy crawly bug-eyed adventure is only 10 minutes wait, but Lightning Lane is obviously still available to you. So it's worth looking at the times. However, the disadvantage is that there are only a limited number of Genie Passes per day per park. In reminder, the Genie Pass, you can't buy it in advance, so you have to buy it from midnight onwards of the day you want to buy it, so you have to wait till you come out here. Now the good thing is that all of the parks, all of the locations, they have Wi-Fi. So if you get to a park, or if you're staying in a hotel, then you'll get Wi-Fi and you can do it out here. Now you may want to get it at midnight bang on if it's an important park and you want to get on with the Lightning Passes, fine. Otherwise we found, you know, this is August, summer, all the American kids are back at school, so we've got up at 6-7 o'clock in the morning and happily got the Genie Pass.
So as well as the Lightning Lanes, the Genie Plus also gives you what's called Photo Pass. So that means any photos on rides will also not be watermarked, and you'll get them.
So to get the Genie Pass, you need to go onto the Disneyworld app, or the Disney app.
Hello! I'm sorry you didn't see me.
And then you need to go onto your account and buy the Genie Plus. And then what you do, you're allowed one lightning, hold on, you're allowed one Lightning Pass each time. And the Lightning Pass, you cannot pick the time you want. So if you want to go on a ride, then it will tell you the next available spot. So you have to time it appropriately, in which you can only use one Lightning Pass. What that means is if it's early in the morning and it's giving you a 5:30 or 6 o'clock in the evening, that means you cannot use a Lightning Pass up to that point. And once you have registered your Lightning Pass and you've clicked in or buzzed into the ride, you can reuse it. So once you've put your watch, your magic band or your card against it, then you can pick another one. So once you've gone into the ride, then look while you're in the 10-15 minute queue to look to do the next one.
So as said, there are some rides which aren't covered by the Genie Plus and you pay extra for. These are. So the rides that you need to pay separately for are Avatar in Animal Kingdom, Guardians of the Galaxy at Epcot, Rise of the Resistance in Hollywood Studios, and then Tron, which is in Magic Kingdom. The other one as well that's also in Magic Kingdom is the Runaway Mine Train. So going into the Disney World app, you click on the Genie Plus, and it tells you everything about the Lightning Lanes and everything I've just shown you. And within there, you can then buy the Disney services, and these are the prices. So you can see they're roughly around $20, depending on the park. Magic Kingdom's a bit more, and I just show you two different times. So they're around about $20 to $25. And if you click on the park itself, if you're interested, it shows you all the rides which have a Lightning Lane ability. So that means you can look in advance if you want. Now, once you've got that, then you can scroll down and you'll see you've got the Genie Pass Plus open, and it can tell you, so Guardians of the Galaxy, you can purchase that extra for $15. So that's where you, if you wanted to buy the additional rides, and they're roughly about $15 to $20, you can then buy those as well. Okay, once you've clicked on it, then you select a time. So if you wanted to buy Guardians of the Galaxy here, then all you do is just click on the time that you want. Now, do remember, those additional rides that I showed you do not come as standard with the Genie Plus. You can buy those individually. You do not need the Genie Plus to purchase them. So that means that if you wanted to go on to Guardians of the Galaxy or Tron, you can buy those separately, and it's again in the Disneyworld app. I hope that's helped. Please do like, please subscribe. Any questions you've got, it can get a bit confusing. This is correct at the time of videoing, which is in August 2023. So there may be slight differences and changes, but hopefully that's helped. Okay, please do like, please subscribe, and thanks for watching.